So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure subscription is still active, because you cannot watch MS Now network with now having YouTube TV base plan first. And then to buy the YouTube TV base plan, on the home page of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then on the YouTube TV network, you want to click on it. And here you want to add YouTube TV base plan to your membership by paying for $60 per month, and you can get free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you are having the base plan of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for MS Now. And then here on MS Now, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the MS Now. And you can see any series, movies, or any show from MS Now on demand. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch MS Now on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.